Hello and welcome back to your favorite political show. It's been a topsy-turvy week, the weekend. It's been fun for some people, and across the Nigerian political landscape, we've seen some new trends and things happening, and we can see some parties beginning to move and get in shape for the upcoming elections in 2023. Well, 2023 is still some months or say 24 months away. That's still a long time away, but there is another one that is right here on the horizon, which I think we should be talking about. And before we jump into it, just say it again. My name is Nosa Oke-Hortons, and this is the Koko in Naija. So November 6th, the Anambra elections will take place. God's willing, if things do work out as it should. But the question that is on everybody's lip is, with this rate of insecurity in that part of the country, will it really happen? That should actually be a question that is necessary to be asked. Just over the weekend, we did see, courtesy of a popular news channel in Nigeria, where Commissioner of Police of Anambra State, Commissioner Echeng, was seen carrying a gun and exchanging fire with some unknown gunmen or some criminal elements at Idimeli market, where about 5 persons were killed, and yet there is supposed to be an election in that state. The Nigerian government has promised, and according to the commissioner himself, there's over 34,000 security officers that have been deployed to the state so as to ensure that the people of Anambra State are able to express their franchise. They are able to go out and vote for the people which they want in the state. It's confident that this will happen, and the election will take place in the state. It is necessary for some people, for us, or people to know those who will be contesting and those who they will be electing, to lead the affairs of the state for the next 8 years. It is surprising that we hear that Nigerians want to vote and they barely know those who they really want to vote for. We know of the popular, some of the popular parties, those who they are fielding. For the APGA, which is the incumbent party, where the incumbent governor of Anambra State is from, Willie Obiano, is person who is going to be the flag bearer for that party is former CBN governor, Dr. Charles Soludo. Charles Soludo, yeah, we do know he has an antecedent of being an high achiever, but the question is he the right leader for the state at the moment that is facing so much of economic dilapidation, a lot of dilapidated infrastructural facilities, or lack of it in a larger sense. And and which is the most paramount is the security or insecurity in Anambra State, which is the hub or the commercial hub of the southeast region. Also, we know of for PDP, Ozigbo, Valentine Ozigbo. He recently just joined into the foray of Nigerian politics barely some years ago. He was the former CEO and managing director of Transcorp Hotels. Yeah. Which he left in 2018, and now he's joined into the mainstream Nigerian politics. He's a businessman, and he's been going around. He's had the support of former vice president, former governor of Anambra State, Peter Obi, who to a large extent people are calling his godfather. Now, also the most popular, who over the years, he has an history of being the shortest governor, having the shortest stint as governor of Anambra State, where he was there for just 17 days before Peter Obi ousted him and became the governor when the Supreme Court did declare. And who am I talking about? Is Dr. Andy Ubah, senator, was a former senator under PDP before he crossed to APC. These are all the candidates. These are some of the biggest candidates or most pronounced on some of the biggest parties that are contesting in that region. And people know them, and they carry those enough voters trust to some extent, and they have had impact in Nigerian politics. Another person, such a person is Dr. Ubah, the CEO of Capital Oil. Yeah, he is a billionaire. He's popular. He owns a football club in Nigeria. Also owns, CEO of Capital Oil. Former senator also, an incumbent senator. Beg your pardon. Ubah also is contesting under the YPP. Now, these are some of the candidates. After mentioning them, the question which stands is: are these people who would win, and who actually do the people of Anambra want amongst these people, and are they ready to do what the people of Anambra really want, and would they deliver? You know, the question to you, our viewers, give us your opinion who you think would win among this top 4 which we've mentioned, who we think have the large or the biggest opportunity of winning. Is it Valentine Ozigbo of the PDP and the Ubah of the APC, Charles Soludo of APGA, and Ubah of YPP? My name remains Nosa Oke-Hortons. It's been another lovely edition of the Coco in Naija show. Now, today it was about Anambra election. We're looking forward to what will happen. Hopefully, no security hazards will happen and people's lives are safe, and people will be allowed to experience their franchise. We'll see you same place, same time next time. My name is Nosa Oke-Hortons.